Hello everyone, today we will talk about the SDK versions like the minSdk, targetSdk and the compileSdk. So let's start by saying what's an SDK. So SDK stands for Software Development Kit, and this helps us developers to build applications for Android, and it contains libraries such as the camera or the GPS. So the minSdk means the minimum SDK version that your app supports. So let's go to device manager and let's say we want to create a new device, and let's say our app supports SDK 24, which is Android Nougat, the Android 7.0. If we set it lower, we will support previous versions, but we can also set it higher. For example, we want to start support apps that are the Android devices that are Android 13 or above. The target SDK means that your app is targeting, let's say we have Android 34 and you are declaring that you are aware of the changes that this version introduces, like permissions or other stuff. But if the level is too low, the app won't be able to be published on the App Store. For example, we have 26 and Google Play requires that apps target API level 33 or higher. So if it's too low, you can't publish it on the Google Play Store, but you can use it on your personal device or on other stores. The compileSdk is the API level on which your app compiles. As I showed you earlier, API level means the supported Android version, and let's say if we have a lower API level, we won't have all the features and functionalities that this API level will provide us. So I think it's better to have it higher than lower. So that's it. I hope you like this video, and I know it's short, but I try to be on point and as short as possible to not take your time. So if you like this video, make sure to follow me for more content like this.